watch some TV. Finally, this thing works. Doop. What the? I thought I was safe. But no. The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Cubicopolis Police Department and the Pixeldale Police Department at approximately 2:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A huge cloud was detected approximately 10.5 miles from West Cubicopolis, moving at a speed of 35 miles an hour. This cloud could be the source of acid rain. Acid rain is rain, but this acid is sulfur is the acid that melts things. This acid's extremely dangerous, as those caught without shelter could be killed, or actually will be killed if hit by the rain. You should go into a building that has a lot of floors or somewhere underground to protect yourself from the rain. This rain's expected to go on for a few years, so expect collateral damage to anywhere between West Cubicopolis, the industrial zone, and Pixeldale. Anywhere within a 5-mile radius of any of these areas should seek shelter or evacuate. Repeating, anywhere within a 5-mile radius of any of these areas should evacuate or seek shelter immediately. This cloud will arrive in approximately 15 minutes, and the rain will begin in approximately 30 minutes. So you have around 45 minutes in order to do what you gotta do in order to evacuate. When evacuating, make sure to bring all essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries, and make sure all your devices are charged fully to the extent that you need them. Bring whatever you need with you, because once you evacuate, there is no coming back. Public places have their own evacuation plans, so do not go there to pick anyone up. The emergency alert system has been activated. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is CBVB3G 27, Gangs Wars. We will continue regular programming for this local area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. The emergency alert system has been activated. Shit. There's acid rain. There's acid rain coming in 45 minutes. That's not good. Where should I go? Okay, which car should we take? We don't have a lot of time. Should I take the G-Wagon or should I take the Tesla? G-Wagon or Tesla? You know what? Fuck it, we're taking the G-Wagon. It's stronger. And it's a little slower, but it should get the job done. Yeah, that's where we need to go. Bop, bop, bop. Here's an update on the emergency action notification that was issued just a couple seconds ago. If you cannot evacuate, civil authorities in Kittyman, along with the rest of the Everything Canadian government and Everything Canadian citizens volunteering, will come over to Gangs Wars to pick everyone up. Shit. I have a kid here. Where's Deborah? Is she in this classroom? Nope. Deborah's a teacher here. Bears? Ew. in this classroom. Deborah isn't in here, but there's food in here. How about the gym? Is Deborah in the gym? No, Deborah isn't in the gym. Is Deborah at this exit? No, but there's money. It's $500, so I'll take it. Deborah, where are you? Deborah, where are you? In the dining hall? Is she in the cafeteria? Snap. Deborah definitely isn't here. Well, there's a funny microwave that just makes a dinging sound whenever you click the use button, but no. Deborah isn't in here. Wait, is her name Barbara? Oh, there's Deborah! Deborah! Come here, Deborah. Deborah, come here, Deborah. I need to kill you so that way I need to kill you so that way I can bring you along with the Oh no, that's the po-po. Okay, come on, Deborah. We need to get out of here. Her spirit's in the car. Okay, we need to go. Deborah, did you hear about this new alert? Did you hear about the acid rain that's coming to Gangs Wars? Dad, there's no such thing as acid rain. Are you drunk again or what? No, I'm not drunk again. I'm being serious. Well, do you have a hideout anywhere? Oh, yes, we do, Deborah. Oh, yes, we do. I keep forgetting about Barbara. Don't worry about her, Dad. Just get to the secret hideout that we've always kept a secret. Yes, ma'am. I will do that. It should be one of these houses, though. It should be one of these homes. It's this red house right here. Oh, gosh. Okay, Deborah, get out of the car. We need to get inside now. We need to get inside. We need to get inside now. Oh, come on. Why? I can't get in there. Okay, fine. I guess we'll go in through the back then, Deborah. Since that door's closed. This one's also closed as well? Damn, I guess this isn't the secret hideout. It's fully furnished too. I don't know why it wouldn't be open. Okay, well, no, Deborah, I left you in the car. Damn it. Oh no, there's only 15 minutes left until this rain gets you. I see a cloud coming in. That's acid rain, probably. Dad, you're going crazy, aren't you? No. Why would I be going crazy, huh? Why would I be going crazy, huh? Well, first of all, West Cubicopolis has a lot of tall buildings that could help you survive. Yeah, but none of them are enterable. I need an enterable building. Oh no, acid or rain. An update on the emergency action notification that was issued a few hours ago. Or 30 minutes ago. A bunch of EF 1228 down to EF 5, down to EF 3 tornadoes. Infinites of those, and an infinite number of Tsar bombas and any other nuke or nuclear missile that was created. These missiles and tornadoes and all kinds of every other disaster was detected approximately 10.5 to 14 and a half miles away from the Gangs Wars, moving at a speed of 92 miles an hour. The storms are moving at that speed, and the disasters that don't move, like volcanoes and earthquakes, are at the max height and the max strength they can be. This is very dangerous, and citizens are urged to evacuate. Okay, I need to get myself busted somehow. But Dad, Dad, you're at the prison. Why do you need to get yourself arrested? Honey, listen. Honey, listen. That's important. Honey, come on. But Dad, isn't this illegal? It may be illegal, but I have some tricks up my sleeve. Dad, what are you going to do? Just trust me on this one. Hold on, I need ammo for my special. Yep, there we go, 1,300. Deborah, come on. Alright, inside the prison now. And into the cell.
What?
Stop it! I can leave. I'm not even gonna try. No. You're an idiot, dude.
Drop the weapon!
Any other foes coming in here? Oh, I hear a cop. Oh, jeez, he's right there. He's right there. Alright, any prisoner that's locked up in here could get out of here. I'm letting all the prisoners out of here. Because they deserve it. Not me. I deserve to kill the co. Oh, jeez, you scared me. You just scared me. You just scared me. Alright, I need to go into this other cell block. Open these cells. Okay, there we go. And get out of here. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. There he is. This is a gunfight. Okay, I need to open all these cells.
Drop the weapon! Stop it!
You're glitched in here, you idiot!
Drop the weapon!
You can't hurt me, you idiots. You can't hurt me. You can't hurt me. You can't hurt me. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I'm letting all the prisoners escape because I can. This is stupid. This is bad. This is really bad. We can maybe close the doors. It'll make it harder for them. Looks like they're having a hard time trying to get in here. I'll make it extra difficult. Difficulty max. What if they actually get in here? Oh, they got through my first layer of defense. They got through the prison. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, yep. There's another Fed. There's the Feds! There's more Feds! Okay, he just walked out! What? Dude, don't do that! What are these cops doing, dude? No, I'm going to jail anyways. I'm already in prison, you idiots! Okay, Glock. Pew, pew, pew. They got this! Okay. I guess Deborah's still at that prison. I guess Deborah's still at that prison. Let's ride the Ferris wheel. Oh no, all the disasters are here. Oh, will I be invincible if I get on the Ferris wheel? Sure will. But how do you get on this thing anyways? Oh, it's on the other side. I'm an idiot. It's on the other side. I'm such an imbecile. But yay. I have to shoot my bullets in the air. They can't get me up here. They can't even get me. Oh shit, that hurt. I'm at like 1 health. What about this mini Jeep? How fast can it go? $100, $110, $120, $125, $130. $50. Probably like 140 maybe. Still 160. I just got ran over by my own car.